In this video, I'll show you how you can record audio as an MP3 file only in OBS. So if you don't want to record video and you just want an MP3 file, you need to go to Settings, then go to Output and change the output mode to Advanced. Then head over to the Recording section and then change the recording type from Standard to Custom Output. Then you need to scroll down and find Container Format and change it from Default Format to MP3. So you should be able to find this. So here it is, click on that. Now you can make sure the file path is correct and then you can go ahead and click Apply and OK. Now just make sure you've added a scene and a display capture. Then you can click Start Recording. Now once you do that, any desktop audio or microphone audio, if you've got it set up, should then be recorded, and when we click Stop Recording, we can just see. So here I am in my file location for OBS. As you can see, this latest recording is in an MP3 format, and there you go, you've now got your OBS recording, just the audio as an MP3.